Now we come to question number 10. Format the cell in this gender column. Blue if it is M and red if it is F. So we select this column, these cell ranges. We go to conditional formatting. We select more rules. And then we select format only cell that contain this specific text. Because the question says if it is M, it's a blue background. So we select cell that contain only specific text containing M. Then the format, it will be field with a blue background. So we select the field with a blue background and click OK. And now we check, yes, the M is formatted with a blue background. And now we will continue with the red background for F. So we will come to this column, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and more rules. Select more rules. Format only cell that contain this specific value. The specific text containing the letter F. Then we will format them with a red background. So we select field with a background color of almost a red color here. Then we click OK. And OK again. And now the column is filled with the correct background color. Now let's look at question number 11. In cell B25, we enter a formula to calculate the number of females. So we can use the count if, because it is a condition, number of females only. So the cell ranges are here and the criteria is F, because F stands for the female gender. We select this OK and number is 13. 13 is because there are some cell that is hidden here and we need to unhide them in order to see all the rows here. That's all for question 10 and 11.